Good morning, everybody. Here are 10 AI businesses you can start in 2025 to start generating income for a new startup idea. Wait until the end of the video and find out what happened to a couple of startups in 2024 that got wrecked and how they lost a ton of money by not only being first, but also being too early. So what's happening in the AI industry? It's a $184 billion a year market right now. AI is worth as much as Google is generating in ad revenue each and every year. It's growing quickly and entrepreneurs are jumping on the bandwagon. So what are these businesses and how can you take advantage of them for at least your own business or start a new business idea? Well, the first one that AI is really displacing is AI content marketers. You can use AI to create high quality content for businesses. You can help business owners attract new customers and help them spruce up their website content. A website is really important in the marketing mix, and improving a customer's website cost effectively is one way you can get more clients and start taking care and satisfying businesses. The next step is really AI content generators. You have to understand that AI sometimes can plagiarize content. So if you're creating high quality content, you want to make sure you're using AI not only to fact check it for accuracy and brand voice, but you also want to use AI in order to determine if this is going to resonate not only with sales and marketing and conversions, but also if it's going to rank on Google. What's the point of creating content if it's going to disappear? One of my colleagues just told me there's about 7 million new articles created every day online. And some AI researchers are saying that we're losing more internet than we're creating. And what's displacing it? AI generated content. It is a wave. Now, where we're going very soon is AI personal assistants. You can offer AI powered personal assistants that not only help with scheduling and data entry, they can help you save time with automations and clever tactics to really cut down on all of the manual work you have to do. As a business owner, there's so much manual work that you have to do, and freeing up your time by cutting down on manual entry is a game changer for businesses. If you can sell your customers to regain some of your time, you're likely going to be in a position where you'll have plenty of work and you'll be able to outcompete other marketers. Now, one of the emerging trends is AI graphic designers and videographers. You can create an AI tool that not only creates visually compelling AI images for businesses, you can also support businesses with logos, graphics, and videos. You can create different packages, or you can use AI to help you determine what kind of packages your customers need. Remember, it's important to talk to your customers and find out their needs and not rely on AI. AI is just going to spit out an output and you're going to have to take an action from it. You have to make sure you have something usable for customers and something that looks good. Some AI videos are still a little sketchy, but as time moves on, and I'm talking weeks, not months, the technology is just going to get better and better. Now, the one that we've been using a lot more at Zima Media is just creating AI SEO specialists. These SEO specialists can help with websites creation, keyword research, competitor analysis, and these tools are going to help businesses rank higher on search engines. Sure, you can go into a ChatGPT and ask it for keywords for your business. What are the highest ranking keywords? But remember, AI is just a data set of information that it's scraped from the internet. So you do have to use third-party tools. That's why third-party tools and databases plugged in with AI is only going to make it smarter. You can also create a social media manager powered by AI. You can automate content creation, scheduling, and engagement with AI tools. This will help you schedule and post content at the right time to get the most engagement. And you can also develop and manage social media strategies for customers. These are things that are really easy for businesses to do, but agencies often charge a lot for the consulting and the creative and the expertise. So this is a good balance of effort and reward, not only for agencies that are using AI-powered social media assistants, but also for the customers that are looking for the best bang for their buck. Now, the one that really is the holy grail for us marketers and salespeople is creating an AI marketing agency. You can use AI to deliver full service marketing solutions. And you can also provide scalable solutions like content creation, market research, and also analytics. This one is going to be an emerging one because nobody can really just replace an agency. There's so much work that goes into agency creation. I'll tell you, you need at least 20 people working on any business full time so you cover all the bases, from email to web to graphic design to video production, all of those things. Of course, AI is going to make the requirement for people capital smaller and smaller. So as a marketer, you're going to have to learn more and increase your prompt engineering so you can get the best results for your customers. You can also be an AI implementation consultant. You can take your expertise and monetize it via consulting. You can guide businesses how to integrate AI into their organizations, and you can help companies stay competitive in this rapidly emerging new trend. You can also create AI-driven customer service platforms, from chat boxes that integrate AI that has an intimate knowledge into your business operation, and you can help businesses increase their response time so they can turn more leads into actually paying customers. Now, the one that I really like a lot is AI-powered data analytics services. You can get insights from your AI that studies your analytics, and you can help drive business decisions and optimize operations, from your marketing budgets to your campaigns, and also understanding fully what's happening in your funnel when you have to look through it with a magnifying glass as a marketer to really get down to the nitty-gritty. This is how you can start some of these AI businesses, and you can start now. What's likely to happen is we're going to see more and more of these agents emerge. The next trend besides regenerative content, we're in the regenerative content stage right now, where you tell AI to do something via a prompt, and it's going to output a piece of information. That information can be used by marketers to improve a website, or businesses to improve something within their organization, workflow, or operations. Where we're going this year is agents. We're going to start seeing AIs getting smarter, where you can create almost like a Zap. AI is basically Zapier on steroids. You can create a little agent that does a little task, and if those agents start talking to each other, well, that's how you can get a team of 20 marketers working for your business. We're in the infancy of that now, and some high-powered marketers are actually using that within their organizations, and they're trying to monetize it. Now, here's the double-edged sword about AI. These AI models are proprietary and owned by major corporations, and you're using the same AI models such as ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, and your competitors are using the same AI models. So being a differentiator is really hard, and looking into building local AIs or investing into the new NVIDIA Digit, getting a couple of those on your desktop, you can build basically ChatGPT 3.5, and have a local AI that doesn't require any sort of a web connection, and you can actually build an API from that desktop computer sitting in your living room and monetize that if you have like a gigabit fiber connection. Hint, hint, that's what I'm working on this year, is building my own AI models and having those trained and having my customers access that. Because if you're competing against competitors that are using the same secret sauce, well, it really isn't so secret. Now, what happened in 2024 with all of these GPT wrappers? A wrapper is basically somebody created ChatGPT and called it something else, and they're using the ChatGPT API. That's what a lot of these technologies are. They're wrappers. When ChatGPT released their little app store, you essentially can make your own wrapper locally in ChatGPT. So what does a wrapper entail? For instance, I'll give you an example of something that we're working on just as a simple proof of concept. You can take all of the blog posts from your organization, all the help guides, and create a little plugin, a little ChatGPT. You can call it Zima Media GPT. And it knows everything about our best practices, everything about everything, really all of our YouTube videos, everything we've created as an organization, and you can put that into a little GPT, and your customers can have access to that. You can actually talk to your business. Imagine that. You're creating a first-party application that has intimate knowledge, not only about your business, but you can make it even more intimate. You can plug in your operations. And this is very one-dimensional because it uses text inputs. It uses document inputs. Now, once we start plugging in APIs into these data sets, you're going to have these little agents that not only have intimate knowledge about your organization, they're also going to have access to your Facebook, or they'll have access to your CRM, or to your email. And as they're recommending and creating these campaigns, you're going to be able to plug them in. All right? That's wild. You don't know how disruptive this is. This is essentially the price of tomorrow is getting cheaper and cheaper. Costs are getting lower and lower. Computing power, storage, and bandwidth is trending to zero. That's the price of tomorrow, and that's from Jeff Booth's book, and it's exceedingly moving faster and faster and faster. So take advantage of some of these AI trends and make sure you look at it very carefully, because these GPT wrappers, they got wrecked when ChatGPT created their own app store. So you better believe it, they're watching the ecosystem like a hawk, and when they see somebody hit, they're going to go ahead and try to do the same thing. Because even Sam said that their Pro GPT for $200 a month isn't really paying the bills because they didn't expect how much usage customers would get. And my final takeaway is monetization. All of your competitors are charging a monthly fee, and really that's not how AI works. AI works off of tokens and units and computational power. Essentially, the electricity that you're using to power these models is how this all plays into effect. So if you're looking for ways to monetize, look at tokens, look at per usage, look at credits. Those are the most friendliest ways to adopt customers, because some of your customers may not use AI frequently. But do you want a customer for life, or do you want a customer that signs up and cancels? Because one of those businesses is going to survive, and you're going to have to make a call on what the best business model will be. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and tell me, what AI business are you building in 2025?